Hi, nice to meet you. It's my pleasure to be here today. Nice to meet you too. Okay, let's start our interview. Can you tell me about yourself? Absolutely. My name is Khoa, and I'm a junior at UCW, and I'm working on my degree as a Bachelor in Science and Clinical Research. And today I'm here for seeking an interview opportunity at PPD, and I'm really confident and really interesting about this position because I met on the requirements and I have passionate, really strong passionate about this career. Before the UCW, I have my first degree from pharmacy university in Vietnam, and I had over 1 year experience for working for Roche pharmaceutical company as a program coordinator. I think it's just different term for the clinical research coordinator here because my role there is also this maybe similar to the CRC here. Like I have to um, monitor the program in compliance with the local regulatory, the SOPs and protocol of Roche and the ICH GCP, and also I have to schedule the visits and screen the subject eligibility according to the inclusion and exclusion criteria. Plus, I have to communication with the like a study participant about the study requirements, and I also have to conduct in the informed consent process and the AE's SAE report and the data management and documentation too. Okay, it's nice. Can you tell me about your strength and your weakness? Of course, without doubt, I can tell versatility is one of my strengths because I can adapt to like multiple different functions and vary situation. Like a previous job, I work not only for Roche but also I have to keep this connection between all the stakeholders like the Vietnamese Ministry of Health, the DKSH, and one distribution company. I have to accomplish all the document that they require. And also when I moved to the United States, I need a job like to support my family, like my wife and my daughter is still in Vietnam, so I have to work. So I'm doing a nail technician. I still do a good job, like a perfect job for my customer. So I can adapt to every situation, like I told you. Also, I'm a diligent, coachable, and driving to learn guy. I love working, hard working. And one quote from really love one quote from the movie like "Pursue is the Happiness." Like Will Smith said that like I'm the type of person like if I don't know something, and I will ask you if I don't know the answer, and I bet you what I I know how to find the answer and I will find the answer, and this is how I am too because I will try my best to find a solution and I will find it no how matter what. And I think one of my weakness like that have a biggest impact on my work is indecisive because I have a tendency to analyze and put many critical thinking question into single decision. So I usually take longer time than usual to make a decision. I know that sometimes it will make me reduce the efficiency of their work because it takes a longer time than usual. But don't worry, I'm working on it. I'm fixing it. Because I think when we become more mature and more experienced, we will be more decisive. Okay, that sounds good. And why why do you want to work for our company? Can you tell me? Yes, because I found my dream and my passion at PPD because we have the same mission, like wanna bring people the advanced, effective, and safe treatment. I know the mission of PPD is create or make the world healthier, cleaner, and safer, and that mission is what I always pursue. And also, PPD is a global company, so I love working for the global company like Roche because I can meet people all around the world and with the multiple culture. Okay, so um, I see in your resume you have experience with the AE and SAE report. So can you tell me more about that? Yeah, of course. You know, like working Roche is one of the biggest pharmaceutical company in around the world. So working with the great sponsor and like Roche, you have the very strict SOP you have to follow. So I learned how to report AEs and SAE accurately and in a timely manner. Also, I have been trained to use the platform just like the iMedidata, like clinical trial management system, to put the data into the system and retrieve probably. Tell me how your time in the UNCW clinical research program has prepared you for this position. Of course, you know, like the time at UNCW is beautiful, like the beautiful time because it gave me the broad brand of the knowledge and it's valuable to me in this industry. And I have a lot of certificates. I comprehended the good clinical practice and good manufacturing practice and investigational new drug process, etc. And those valuable knowledge is the big and the strong foundation that help me more confidently in the future to be successful in this industry. Okay, so do you have any question for me? Yeah, I have one question for you because PPD, I heard a lot of good thing about PPD, but can you tell me more what you like and what you dislike about the PPD?